Okay, guys, good morning. It is the 5th, Tuesday. So, yesterday, US 100 didn't really do much. Gold had a crazy move. So did Bitcoin. I saw that most of you caught that, which is good from the other providers. I'm pleased. But let's take a look at the damage on US 100. So, if we look at the daily here, we can kind of just see this uptrend, very nicely respected. We have the previous high, which is here that we actually broke out of. More than likely, it's going to retest, consolidate, move up. What do we have today? In terms of news, we have ISM services, PMI. So there is going to be some volume again, nothing too crazy. Tomorrow's going to be the crazy day, though. We have Fed Chair Powell testimony at 1500 again. So just looking at this chart, what do we think is going to happen today? Honestly, I think that we're going to move down to the higher time frame high that we actually broke, and then we're going to consolidate. So I do believe that we will get probably a little long today, probably something like this, and the daily close as a pin bar, right? Then tomorrow with the Fed Chair Powell testimony, obviously we'll probably move down over the Asia session, and then that's when we'll get the big move to the upside to either break the high, etc. So again, just looking at the news and using our logical brains, what is potentially going to happen on what day? We know that there's a higher time frame level of buy pressure here. We know that we've previously seen sell pressure, push, exhaustion, continued move. We have the uptrend here. And again, it's not just going to hit this level and move up. It's probably going to bounce for a day. So today, probably looking at a long, overall target, probably something like this. It's not going to be a massive bullish engulfing candle at this news, but it will be a directional candle. So at 1500, I'm going to be looking for a long at this level because, again, it's probably going to move down over the London session, then US session, move up to move back down at the Asian session, where tomorrow we get the overall long. So that's what I'm looking for today. There's like a little long, probably to halfway, expecting today's candle to close as a pin bar, and then maybe tomorrow or the day after to break the high. So that's what we're looking for on US 100, US 30. Again, probably the same. More than likely going to see some kind of reaction. Did we see a long yesterday? We didn't. So it didn't break this level. Again, still looking for longs because we still got a very nice level of buy pressure here. Just exactly what US 100 is going to do, the US 30 is doing. And so we broke this high, full and complete exhaustion, bounce. Now we're looking for a second bounce. What's more than likely going to happen today? There's a nice level of buy pressure here at this level. Again, probably going to move up to here, maybe break, and then tomorrow we see the directional move where we actually break this high here. So today, probably a really nice long on US 30 to this high here. Again, stop loss will depend on price action, but something kind of like this today. I do expect it to break this level, but not by much today with the ISM services. So US 30, US 100, pretty clean, pretty easy price action. I do expect it to tap this level here and move up. So today, again, what's the daily candle probably going to look like today? Probably going to look like a pin bar. We've got pins here, pin, 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 pin. The body probably close up here, and then just a bullish engulfing tomorrow with the Fed Chair Powell testimony. So that makes logical sense, doesn't it? Now let's take a look at gold, the madness, okay? The method within the madness. So what is gold doing? We can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. We can probably, gold hasn't really been above here. So there's no historical data other than this pin bar here on the daily. So may as well just put a top above there. So we've got a new high impact level here, which is going to be blue. We can get rid of all of these here now because price isn't in between these levels. So all these do not matter anymore. Does not matter. Does not matter what happened previously. Doesn't matter what happened all the way down here because price isn't there anymore. It's above here. So let's take it to the 4 hour. Let's see if we can see any levels of interest. I mean, there is one here. So we can see a nice level of sell pressure there. That's going to be my second high impact level. And then just literally, not really much to go off, is there? Go to the 1 hour. I'd say there's a level there. Where we're at just right now. I mean, yeah, it's very, very hard to tell. Honestly, during the US session, if we have something like we did yesterday, today, and then we'll probably move to the upside here. So if we break this level, more than likely it's going to touch the high, and then God knows what's going to happen after that. So US session, if we break this with price action, we'll be moving to the upside. So something like that. Looking to move to the upside. If we do have a higher time frame exhaustion, and then that just means we'll get a better buy here. But to the fundamentals, gold's positive 5.6, USD is positive 1.4. Medium term, gold's absolutely killing it. Long term, Bitcoin and gold are just absolutely killing it. So that's why crazy moves on those two. Let's go to Great Japan against the yen. Let's take a look at this. So I said that you'd probably get a nice exhaustion. Let's take a look what the daily did yesterday. Bullish engulfing candle. More than likely going to tap this level here. That is a really nice level. What are the fundamentals doing right now? So the Great British Pound is weaker than the yen at this moment in time, so you're not going to get a buy yet. Hopefully it does touch this level. Again, just put an alert out. 190,400. Why not? Make it a round number, and then if it taps this level, you're looking for a move to the upside there. We can get rid of this one. We don't need that. Make your chart super, super simple, guys. There's no point making this complex. Connect these two lows. Yeah, more than likely it's going to tap some point today. Do we have any news for the Great British Pound? Yeah, let's take a look at this. So at 9:30, we've got S&P Global Services. That's probably going to create some liquidity. So definitely in the next couple of hours, you can see a spike down, and then you can get this trade to the upside here. So Great British Pound against the yen, definitely want to be looking at. The Great British Pound against USD now. Is there an exhaustion? Yeah, let's have a look at the daily. Bullish engulfing, moving to the upside. Do I really think it's going to break? It's probably just going to move to the upside today, to be honest. I can't see it having a full exhaustion down to here, down to the trend line. I can literally see, because of yesterday's bullish move, that this just moved to the upside, honestly. So have to be prepared for that. Again, with ISM services, not ISM services, S&P, is it? Yeah, S&P Global Services. Probably just going to move to the upside here. So if you do get something bullish breaking this level here, your next level to take TP will be there. So just look for this level here. Let me just move it to the left. So I would say 127,600. 1.27600. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for a directional move to break this level. Break above. Don't do it if it closes here. It has to break above, because this is the next level of sell pressure. Once it breaks, it's got free range to the next high impact level. And if it moves down, and then the trade is invalid, and then we'll probably look for a trade at this level here. But if it breaks here, then we'll look for a move to the upside. Simple as that. Euro USD, let's take a little look at this. So Euro USD didn't move to the downside yesterday, but we didn't get an entry. Let's just take a look, see if the euro long term is weaker than the USD. So the euro is stronger, medium term it's stronger, long term it's stronger, but technically it looks like a move to the downside. So if everything's saying move to the upside, why are we looking for a sell? Because fundamentals have changed. Does look like an uptrend. We have higher highs and higher lows on the daily. We've actually broken above this key level here. So again, the next key level is here. We can get rid of this one. Push exhaustion, potential continued move to the upside. So if this closes bullish, potentially you've got a trade. Do we have any news? We have S&P Global Composite 1445. The euro against USD could move before that. So I would say, again, this closes bullish, SL below here, TP up there, literally just below this low here would be good. So that would be a trade on the Euro USD. It's broken above this level. We're seeing buy pressure again. With that news, it could continue to move up. The only thing that I don't like is that it's kind of consolidating here. That's the only thing I don't like. But fundamentals are to the upside. It does look like it's about to drop, to be fair. I'm not going to lie. I'm 50-50 with this one because technically this is consolidation. Don't really want to be buying to the next level when there's consolidation. Fundamentals are to the upside for now. So I would say if you do get this and you're in minor profit here before ISM services, move your SL to entry because it's either going to touch this level or move down. So a little bit of a risky one, this one. I would prefer the Great Pound against USD. That just looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. The uptrend is definitely a lot more prominent than the euro against the USD. The euro against USD is in consolidation. So yeah, I would honestly leave the euro USD and go for the Great Pound against USD if you are looking to trade one of those. And obviously gold as well is looking really, really good. Really, really strong on gold. It might actually break before. If it does break before, on the 15-minute, we'll look for a minor pullback and then a continued move. But yeah, does anyone want me to go through anything else? If you want to go for anything else, oil, anything like that, let me know. Why is that there? Stupid thing. Monday, I missed the first 5 minutes. Where can I watch the recording? It will be uploaded, my friend. It's always uploaded. So if you're in Surge, it'll be on Vimeo. If you're in First to Notify, it'll be on YouTube. So just give it about 10 minutes for me to, yeah, upload it, and that'll be there for you, man. Simple as that. It's always there for you. So yeah, guys, have a great day, and I shall see you later on. Take care, and yeah, bye-bye.